Welcome back, everybody. Mark here from my Backwood Adventures. Beautiful morning here in Southwest Nova Scotia. Sunny, clear skies. It was 14 degrees, 12 degrees I think, around 6 a.m. But it was 14 when I left home at around 8 or so, 8:30. It was probably around 8. Anyhow, I'm here at the cabin site here now. I told you guys I'd try to get you out here as soon as I could to show you what's going on here. There's been a lot done here since the last time we were here, or you guys were here. So I'll show you here. So we got the door in and we got the front windows in. Still waiting on the roofing, but we've got the side windows in here on I guess this will be the eastern side, and partially boarded up here on this side. I get the come around the back, and back's all boarded in. Then we're gonna, windows are in. We'll come around the back side here up on the western side, I guess, and this is all boarded up. Windows are in. Starting to look like a cabin. So here we'll just go inside here. Got a nice door, and looks like we had some rain here. Floor's a bit wet, but it'll be nice once they get the roof on, then it'll be weathered in here. And yeah, so this is it. Today I'm going to be cleaning up the yard here a little bit. We left a little bit of a mess here last time we were here, so I'm going to clean it up. And I got a whole, those boards, those pine logs I've been milling. I got to get those in. I got to get those boards in here. I got them all stacked up by the truck there, and I got to hook up on the trailer, and probably going to take me a few loads to get them here so we can finish boarding up. And got some fascia boards, and I got to finish putting the strapping up on the roof there so I can get ready for the metal. Hopefully that'll be soon. And then yeah, so this is where we're at. I'll show you the view out the front door here. Pretty quiet, pretty peaceful. Just the sound of the river. Pretty nice. Anyhow, I'm gonna get to work here. I'm just gonna clean up, and I'll see you back here in a bit. Well, here it is, approaching 11 o'clock or so. It's getting warm. Don't take long for it to warm up with that sun. But anyhow, I got 3 loads in, and looks like I got at least one more load out to get out there, but I'll show you what I got here now. There it is. That's 3 loads with the quad and the trailer right over there. So nice pine. It's gonna look good on the cabin. Nice looking stuff. Anyhow, I'm gonna continue at it. No sense stopping now. I have a drink of water, and then go get the other load, and hopefully that'll be it. I don't know how much building I'll do today, if any. As long as I can get these boards in here and then get ready for next time we come in. I think I need fuel for the generator, and I'm not sure. Probably some more nails. I'll take stock of what I need before I go, and then bring it in next time I come in. Anyhow, I'm gonna go head out and get another load. Well, folks, I think I'm stuck here, stuck at the cabin. My quad won't start. I went to get that 4th and possibly final load of oh, there's a nail of pine boards, and nope, she wouldn't start. She tried and sputtered, and no, wouldn't take. So I thought maybe she was flooded. She was really hot. I was just in low gear through that trail, so I could feel the heat coming off the engine, so I thought maybe it just fuel might have been just boiling in the carburetor. So anyhow, I just let it sit here and started doing some building. So I boarded up just past that other window here, almost to the corner here. So yeah, and I just tried it, so it was sitting there for over an hour and still no go. So darn, I'll have to spend the night. Oh no. No, I can get out. I can walk out. Truck's not that far away, but anyhow, I'm gonna I think I got a spare plug, spark plug, so I'll pull the plug out and check for fire. Don't worry, I checked to make sure my switch, the kill switch, isn't on the off position. So I know that can be an issue sometimes. People don't think about that if you leave it on all the time. But anyhow, I'm gonna have some lunch here. It's pretty much lunchtime, and find some shade, and maybe I'll throw a plug in there and see if I can get it going. I'd like to get the rest of those boards here today, but if not, well, might have to come back with some tools and figure out what's going on with that bike. But anyhow, phew, she's warm. Anyhow, I'll let you know how I make out. Well, I don't know if you can hear it, but it's alive. I really don't know what was going on, but I had no spark and no fuel. Interesting. Spark plug was bone dry. Turned it over with the spark plug out and grounded the plug, and no spark. Strange. Put the new plug in, which I had a new plug and a plug wrench. Put the new plug in, but that didn't solve my no fuel problem, so I gave it some fuel. And no go. I tried, and my battery is not the greatest, but I would turn it over, and then I turn it over by hand, and then I kind of moved it. It was kind of between gears. I don't know if it was totally in neutral, so I kind of shook it and put it in gear and then back into neutral, and lo and behold, she fired right up. Stalled a couple times once I had it running there for a bit, but I think because I had probably drained the fuel bowl. But for whatever reason, it was possible that it wasn't in neutral all the way, or I don't know. I'm gonna take a gamble. I've never had issues before, but doesn't mean I'm not going to. But I'm gonna take a gamble and run out and get those. Try to get those other boards. Try to get them here anyway, and then it's mid-afternoon-ish, so I think I showed you while I was waiting for the quad to de-flood, which I thought was flooded. I put a few boards up, not very many, just putting around, and then had lunch. But anyhow, I'm gonna take a gamble here and go see if I can get the rest of those boards. Well, folks, that was a failed attempt. There she sits, all tarped up. It's gonna have to stay here. I come to leave and she stalled, won't restart, so there's definitely an issue going on. So when I get home, I'll have to do my homework and see what the heck's going on with that thing, and come in with some tools and try to figure it out. So I gotta walk out. I think I got everything I need. I got my truck keys. Took the quad keys just in case, and I got my stuff here, what I'm gonna lug out. I didn't want to leave my chainsaw here. Got my lunch pail, chainsaw, and tripod, and my boots to cross the river. I wasn't gonna bring them, and I thought, well, maybe the water's a bit high, so I better bring them. And we did have some rain here lately, so I'm kind of glad I did. I gotta cross the river. I still might get wet feet, but we'll see. Hopefully I can get through. Anyhow, that's going to be it for this video. It's not always, things don't always go as planned. Actually, I was just planning on bringing all those boards in today, and maybe doing some boarding in, but depending on how much time and how warm it got and everything else. So, but I didn't get that accomplished, so I'm gonna walk out here a little discouraged, but that's all right. It's par for the par for the course. It never goes smoothly for some reason. But anyhow, I'm going to trek on out of here. I'm going to call this video, and hopefully everybody has a great weekend coming up, and get outdoors when you can. Enjoy this great wilderness. Deal with what comes your way, good or bad, and be safe, be kind, and see you next time.